Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to
I'm going to be showing you how I got this quick and easy hairstyle. These are Bantu knots with a puff ponytail. I show you how I part the hair, style the hair, wrap them in their little buns, and define the top, because there's a little trick to that. Y'all need to make sure y'all watch that. And make sure you subscribe to the tribe. I love to talk about all things hair, beauty, lifestyle. If you're that type of girl, make sure you press that subscribe button. Keep watching. I have my part. Okay, and then let's part this out. So I know for sure I want a part right down the middle. All of my sections in the front will be triangles. So I am taking the end of the rat tail comb and going in at a diagonal on both sides, and that will make my triangle. I'm going in with my Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream. Getting it all over the section. And then I'm going in with my Extreme Gel. Putting that all over. Just gonna detangle a little bit. After I detangle, I go ahead and put my section into a rubber band and have some tension there, but don't do it too tight. Okay, and so next, I am going to put this in a Bantu knot. So just grab a little bit more gel for the ends. Make sure it's completely detangled. And then I'm going to start twisting it, as you can see. And then I'm going to just twirl it around into a Bantu knot. Going in with my next piece, I'm just going to part right at the corner, right here. Again, when you're making the triangle parts, you are moving the rat tail comb in the diagonal so you get that shape. And you definitely want to make sure your hair is nice and detangled, because that'll just make it smoother into the ponytails. Continue watching. I will be giving more tips as I style my hair into these Bantu knots. So it's nice and smooth. And make sure you wrap this with some good tension. I'm starting off pretty loose, and then at the end I want to get tighter because I want the knots to have some volume. And this is a really thin piece. This is a quick and easy hairstyle. We are getting this done. I am having a work from home pool day at my apartment, and I just wanted a cute little hairstyle. Okay, now that this side is finished, I'm going to do the other side. And try your best to make sure your parts are symmetrical. So I'm constantly checking on the other side of my hair to make sure it's matching up. And make sure you're sliding your ponytail all the way through, making sure there's no hairs being left behind, because that's how you get the tangles. I know people are so afraid of rubber bands, and rubber bands aren't bad as long as you're making sure your hair is all the way through the rubber band. And like I said, I do it a little loosely at first just to get that volume. And then once I get towards the end, I'm wrapping it really tight around the ponytail so it won't unravel, and it shouldn't. Okay, the front is done. It looks so cute. Now it is time to do the back. I'm just going to put all of this straight up into a ponytail. Now what I'm going to do is split my hair into two sections. It'll just be easier to work with and putting it into a ponytail. When you have dense hair, thick hair, split it up. It'll help you quite a bit. Luckily, I was filming on my other vlogging camera, and I was able to capture this because I didn't get it on my other camera. The top section is now in a ponytail. I am going to take the bottom section and combine it all together into one. I take some gel, break it through. Okay. Detangle a little bit. And then I just take some of my Shine Jam with my texture here. I need something a little thicker to do the trick, as you can see. So I'm going to do this all the way around. And these are the final results. So what do we all think? I love it, I love it, I love it. And this was really easy to do. I will have this in for a couple of days, and it's a cute little hairstyle to have. Bye. Thanks for watching.